So after a semi-successful first trip in the van to Wales, we are off to the Lake District today, just at the same place that I broke down, and yeah, we're just gonna go pick a friend up from Knaresborough and then head to the lakes. We have no idea what we're doing yet. Bit of swimming, bit of hiking, don't know where we're staying, so I'm gonna download the app that everybody has. Oh, we have a fridge as well. The fridge is working and plugged in. It's currently at -1 degrees, keeping everything nice and cool. I forgot something already.
Digging that.
What?
You digging that? Where do you want it?
I don't know, anyway. Thanks. Just wave and I'll do a voiceover. So after picking Anna up, we headed up to Windermere to pick up supplies and decide our itinerary. We ended up going to a few pubs, our favourite being the Crafty Bar. Ooh.
I'll watch it.
We spent all of our budget on these plastic toys, but ended up having the best evening playing with them. What the hell is that? What is that?
It's Flop Along Cassidy, that's what it is.
Flop Along Cassidy.
That's for you.
Thank you. Who am I?
Put it on.
Who am I?
Fiery Frank.
Meet Fiery Frank and Flop Along Cassidy and this little weird gator thing. Just set up a hammock in the van. Very comfy. Oh, God. This is where we parked last night. It looks way nicer now than when we pulled up yesterday. The weather the next day was horrific, so we chose to jump from town to town in order to escape it. We decided to cook some breakfast on my new kitchen top, and honestly it was quite cool just to be able to cook at a height. For late breakfast we've got spinach and mushroom omelette on some £3.60 not bruschetta. Sourdough. Some £9 orange juice from Boots. How much was that? How much was the oil? This fancy oil. I got it because I like the bottle. Yeah. We just had a lovely breakfast brunch. Got a mushroom spinach omelette on some sourdough, and we're now just deciding what to do. But the weather is absolutely atrocious, so I think we're just going to basically just drive around. Maybe go for a swim, maybe do a hike for a forest or something. But I've had to buy a poncho because the weather's that bad. £3 from Trespass, and it's not very good. But obviously in Wales I said that I really wanted a kitchen, so I built this thing. Oh my god. Even though there's like nothing in it or on it yet, like no sink or hob, it's a game changer. Like just being able to cook high up and rest things on it, oh my god, so much better. We explored Ambleside and Grasmere and came across what was claimed to be the best ginger cake in the world. Feeling for gingerbread.
It will just be the card reader at this side here. Oh, right.
What are Wordsworths? So we're on a hunt to try and find Thirlmere Infinity Pool. I'm not taking my camera because it's still pissing it down, but I am taking my drone. So I'm hoping the next shots you'll see is us swimming in Thirlmere Infinity Pool. Odds are very low though. Despite the weather, we went on a hike to find a swimming spot that I've been looking for for a very long time. This is called Thilmia Infinity Pool, and if you take the path going up to Helvellyn, you should be able to find it. I'm not going to give exact coordinates though. Just had a little dip in Thilmia Infinity Pool. Absolutely lovely. Anna is now going to get in. She's 50-50 right now. But I think my reaction to getting in has swayed her a little bit. This is the side of van life that people don't get to see. Didn't finish our food, so we're putting it in slushy cups with some cling film to take back and put in the fridge. After some food and a pint, we headed off to find another sleeping spot. We found this lay-by on the side of the road, and the views definitely didn't disappoint. This was a spot from last night. Not too bad. Oh. Are you friendly? I don't know. You don't look friendly, but you also do it. Oh! So just found this really nice park up next to this big lake. I actually can't remember what it's called. Just going for a little final dip before heading back. So it's called Batham Wait, and it's absolutely unreal. We parked up on the side of the road for free. There's like 2 people here. We chilled by the lake for a few hours and even got to see the fighter jet fly over very close to us. We just had a little dip and watched the aeroplane, and then had some lunch, a little glass of wine by the lake, some olives, some strawberries. Oh my god, what a fun day. What a lovely day. We've been shopping in Keswick, bought some new stuff, got a new kettle, and yeah, just had a really lovely day. It's been a great weekend. Great start of the week. And now we're just about to head back, but we're passing through the Yorkshire Dales, so this might not be the end. So if anything else fun happens, I'll let you know.